Everybody loves chocolate, but I actually prefer vanilla. So I'm going to show you how to make vanilla caramel sauce. It only needs 3 ingredients, and you might even have some of them in your house already. You will need a blender, preferably a high-powered one, some non-dairy milk, your favorite brand. I'm using an unsweetened almond milk, dates, pitted, and the secret ingredient, pure vanilla bean powder. This is so much better than vanilla extract. It doesn't have any alcohol or glycerin or sugar, and it's a lot more affordable than using a vanilla bean. But if you can do that, that would be fantastic. But I've seen 2 vanilla beans for like $19 at the store. Vanilla bean powder is much more affordable. I don't have any particular brand to recommend. Dr. Furman has a great one. I just get whichever one has the lowest price at any given time on Amazon. And when it's my birthday, people ask me what I want. I just tell them vanilla powder. You will want to soak your dates first so that it'll be easier for it to blend in the blender. And I like to always keep a little bit more of the non-dairy milk on the side, just in case I want it a little bit thinner, because you don't want it so thin that it's liquidy, but you want to be able to put it in a squeeze bottle and pour it. And what would you pour it on? Pancakes, waffles, so much better than putting on maple syrup. You can put it on fruit. You can put it on ice cream. You can squeeze it in your mouth. And then our vanilla powder. You know, everybody I've talked to said that once they switch to vanilla bean powder, they are really noticing the difference. It's just one of those things that are great and I think worth the price. I'd almost rather not use vanilla than use extract. Definitely don't use imitation vanilla extract. That is a product that contains sulfite. It's a byproduct of paper from the wood industry. So if you can't use this, then you could probably substitute an equal amount of vanilla extract. I would recommend an alcohol-free. So we're going to blend. I'm just going to add a little bit more milk. Remember, you can add, but you can't take away. So add a little bit at a time. That's a little bit more pourable. And so little squeeze bottle, get these at the dollar store or online, a funnel, and we're just going to pour it in. And again, that, you know, that's still pretty thick. It really is. So guess what? It's okay. I'm going to add the rest of the milk. Really personal preference, how thin you want it or thick. I would say it depends what you are using it on. That's better. There you go. It smells so good. If you really want it to be caramely, get a date called the Bahri date, B-A-H-R-I, because that actually tastes like you are eating a Kraft caramel. I kid you not. That is my favorite date for eating. Look at this. This is perfect. It looks like it just made exactly enough to fill this bottle. Perfecto. There we go. Every time I do this for a video, it never comes out of the top. So I cut it a little bit more so that now it's got to come out. Look at that. Definitely keep a bottle of this in your refrigerator. Let me show you my favorite thing to do with vanilla caramel sauce, and that is put it on fresh homemade ice cream. My favorite flavor is banana, and one of my favorite machines is the Champion Juicer, but use whatever machine you already have. You don't have to buy a new one, but if you are going to buy a new one, I really recommend the Ninja Creamy, because that is the only one that actually makes scoopable ice cream without having to add anything. I have a Ninja Creamy, but I forgot to freeze my little pints. But luckily, I always have ripe, peeled, frozen bananas in my freezer. So I'm just going to turn the machine on. It's so good. You can put other fruits in, but banana is the best. And you can have this for breakfast. It's literally just fruit. So let's just take a little scoop on top. You can always top it with your favorite toppings. I have a streusel topping that would be fabulous on this. Fresh fruit. This is so, so yummy. Oh, this sauce is boss, especially on ice cream. I hope you'll try it.